High Connections. Here Aditya Uday Hegde. As I inform you, from today onwards I will be uploading on my videos behalf of my long captions, so it will ease and save your efforts and save your time to get to know my daily process and daily track about my this internship, which is I am going under mentorship of Mr. Balemarthy Vamsi Krishna Sir. He has given me several tasks as I inform in my daily post. First of all, C programming, brushing up the C programming concepts. I am going through the book, latest C book. So it's my first task, and second task was about learning daily 1 hour embedded C book, which is the book name is the programming embedded C and C++ from Michael Barr. And the third task was going under a recording session of a project which is CLI Infrastructure of Embedded System. I will talk about one by one. So the first task was about writing C programs and brushing up the concepts of C language. So as I informed you yesterday, I have completed a chapter complex decision making. So yesterday I have solved some problems too, but I wanted to solve more problems to get grip more on that concepts. I want to clear that concepts such as how to use logical operators like and, or, and not operators, and writing conditional operators. And again there was and another thing I tell you that writing, I understand how can we use them, and how can we convert the big code such as complex code, more number of if I tell you in simple words, how can we convert a big line of codes, a complex code, in simple one by adding just a logical and or, how it plays a crucial role. I have posted some photos of my daily codes in which I have shown you how I have written the code. One of the important thing I suggest, I realized that looking at the code, it is important not only to type the code but read the code, because it is important to get the flow of the code. So it was the first task I had done today. The second task was about reading the book of embedded programming in embedded C and C++ from Michael Barr. In that chapter, today I am going to the third chapter, in which I have completed the embedded as I told you embedded I have completed the second thing was about learning reading the book of embedded system programming by C and C++ by Michael Barr. It was the third chapter I was going through, and it was compiling, linking and locating, the importance of the files in the embedded system, and role and how the files are created in the embedded system, and various compilers, and building process of the files. And today was the point I was going through the compiling in which I have learned about the cross compilers, which are the combination of host and targets, which are the both are the combination of object file which contains the set of instruction in form of binary file, and it contains two files, COFF common object file format and ELF extended linker format. So it was a second task which I have completed. Yes, and third task is all about CLI Infrastructure for Embedded System. As we talked about yesterday, we gone through the introduction part, and now we have started with technical stuff such as simple registration technique. Uh, it was an good session. We got to know how to add the more number of, it is an command. As you first I am familiar with the project. What is it means? It is an command which we get from the user, but important thing is that how can we add the command and handle the complexity of that command. And another complexity of command, and another thing it was we have started with simple registration such as how to use command definition, how to define the structure of command, how and how to use alias for int. And another thing was function, importance of function pointer and const, and importance of const. So it was an good session. I was able to complete only 30 minutes of lecture, but looking forward tomorrow to complete this session, and I will be update you of all the tasks I will and